This is the HP ZBook Fury G10, and HP says it's powerful enough to replace your desktop workstation. Like, actually replace it. But here's the thing. After digging deep into this machine, running heavy workloads and looking past the spec sheet hype, I found some trade-offs HP doesn't really talk about in the ads. So the big question is this monster laptop worth your hard-earned cash, or is it overkill for most people? Let's get into it. Product overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? This is the HP ZBook Fury G10, HP's flagship mobile workstation, and it's aimed squarely at engineers, 3D artists, video editors, data scientists, and power users who need serious horsepower on the go. This thing can be configured with Intel 13th Gen HX processors, NVIDIA RTX Ada professional GPUs, up to 128 GB of RAM, and multiple high-speed SSDs. The key selling point? Desktop-class performance in a laptop form factor. According to HP's own documentation on URL here and coverage from outlets like The Verge and Notebook Check, this is about raw power and expandability above all else. Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually feel to use? Short answer, ridiculously fast. I'm talking about workloads like 4K video editing in Premiere Pro, complex CAD assemblies, 3D rendering in Blender, and even machine learning tasks. With Intel Core i9 HX CPUs and RTX 5000 Ada graphics, this thing barely breaks a sweat. Timeline scrubbing is smooth, renders fly by, and multitasking is effortless, even with Chrome doing Chrome things in the background. What surprised me most is sustained performance. Thanks to its aggressive cooling system, the ZBook Fury G10 maintains high clock speeds longer than most thin and light workstations. Reviewers at Notebook Check and TechRadar point out that thermal throttling is minimal compared to competitors. But, and this is important, it's loud under load. The fans kick in hard, and you'll definitely hear them. This is not a quiet coffee shop laptop. But if performance is your top priority, that noise is basically the sound of productivity. Features and tech. First up, expandability. You get up to 4 RAM slots and multiple M.2 SSD bays. Translation? You can upgrade this thing years down the line, which is huge for professionals who want longevity instead of buying a whole new machine. Next, ISV certifications. HP works directly with companies like Adobe, Autodesk, and Dassault. That means this laptop is officially certified to run professional software smoothly and reliably, less crashing, fewer weird bugs, and better peace of mind. Third, the display options. You can spec this with a 4K DreamColor Display, which offers excellent color accuracy. If you're a creator who cares about color grading or visual fidelity, this is a big deal. And finally, connectivity. Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, USB-A, Ethernet, SD card reader, no dongle life here. And honestly, that's refreshing. Design and build. Design-wise, HP went for function over flash, and that's not a bad thing. The ZBook Fury G10 has a solid aluminum chassis that feels incredibly durable. This is a laptop you can toss into a backpack without constantly worrying about flex or damage. That said, it's thick and heavy. At over 5.5 pounds, you'll feel it. The keyboard, though, is excellent. Classic HP, deep travel, tactile, and great for long work sessions. The large trackpad is precise, and the overall layout screams professional tool, not lifestyle gadget. Battery life. Now let's talk about battery life, because this is where expectations need to be realistic. With light tasks like web browsing or document editing, you can squeeze out 5 to 7 hours, but under heavy workloads, yeah, expect much less. This is the trade-off with desktop-class components. Reviewers from TechRadar and Ratings note that this is a plug-in and work machine, not an all-day unplugged laptop. If you're frequently away from outlets, this could be a deal-breaker. Pros. Insane desktop-level performance, excellent upgradability and longevity, color-accurate display options. Cons, heavy and not very portable. Final verdict. So who is the HP ZBook Fury G10 actually for? Look, if you're a professional creator, engineer, or developer who needs uncompromising performance and upgradability, this is an absolute beast. It's one of the few laptops that genuinely feels like a desktop replacement. But if you're a student, casual creator, or someone who values portability and battery life, this is probably way more than you need. You'd be better off with something like a MacBook Pro or a thinner workstation. This isn't about being sleek or trendy. It's about getting real work done, fast, reliably, and for years to come. And at that, the HP ZBook Fury G10 absolutely delivers. So that's my take on the HP ZBook Fury G10. Now I want to hear from you. Would you actually use a laptop this powerful, or is it overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.